Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the else statements in detail. So, what is the else statement and why do we need the else statements? In Python, else statement is optional. There could be only one else statement for every if statement. This is the syntax for the else statement. The if condition comes. Then the statement comes. Then the optional else block comes. So when the if condition produces false or zero, the program will skip the next block and jumps to the else block of the statement. Now we will look into an example to have a better understanding. In this example, we have assigned a value 3 to the variable p. In the conditional block, we check if the value is greater than 10. Since the condition false, the code jumps to the else block. Then the code moves to the next line of the program, which is the program end line. If we execute this program, the Python interpreter should give us two print statements. The first one will be the print statement from the else block and the second one will be the final line of the program. Let's run the program and see. And yes, the program gives the statement that we expected. Since our condition false, the program skips the first init block and executes the else statement, then moves to the next line of the program, as expected. I believe you guys understood the topic else statement in detail. See you guys in the next video.